This is my 7th session in the General Assembly. It's also the 7th year that Governor Pritzker has served as governor. And this year we're going through the same process that we've gone through the past 6 years. It's the same process that's produced 6 consecutive balanced budgets. It's the same process that's earned our state 9 credit rating upgrades.
I had a couple of meetings with some of the budgeteers from the House Democratic Caucus up until a couple of weeks ago. We had a couple of meetings, they're very high level, 10,000 foot, if you will, nothing of any substance.
But while the federal government is moving in the right direction, Illinois is stuck in the past. We are only one of a few remaining states that still impose an estate tax, and our exemption is far lower at just $4 million. If Washington can recognize the harm of estate taxes and take action to shield families, Illinois should follow suit. At a minimum, we should match the federal exemption levels, but I believe we should go even further and eliminate the Illinois estate tax altogether.
And we're going to have to make some very, very tough choices this year because Donald Trump and Republicans in Congress have passed this big bill that's going to hurt people in Illinois.